Welcome to another Street Circumstance vlog. Today, guys, we're gonna sort out that fuel gauge problem we have. Nah, don't worry. I will just remove the top cover. Otherwise, it's not like this. So already I removed the seat. The seat is there. The seat is removed. Damn. This dog peed on my seat.
Nalibusatani man, alibeng limo yomo right man. Alibeng limo yomo right, please man.
Reasons sometimes. I don't want dogs. Hey. Okay, I'll sort that out. Let's sort this out. So yeah, definitely there was rats here. They've been chewing the sponge under my seat. So yeah, I think my car has become a rat's nest. So yeah, what I'll do is remove these 4 bolts and then we'll access the fuel gauge. This is the fuel pump and this is the fuel gauge. So yeah, smell a rat. So I'll first remove the battery because I don't want any flames or catastrophic what to happen here.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
So yeah, I'm just gonna remove the battery terminals and then we can work on the petrol gauge. Let's get to it. So guys, I don't want to damage this pipe because I see it's those plastic pipes and it's hard to remove. So I don't want to end up damaging it. So I'm gonna try work from this position. Let me adjust. Yeah, try work from this position. So it's gonna be hard to record while busy here because this plastic pipe, I don't want to damage this plastic pipe. And I can't see from that other side how it runs. I think it runs on top of the fuel tank. But yeah, so there's been rats in this car, so yeah, I have to sort this out, all this mess out. So I'll record once I figured what's wrong, then I'll record again. For now, I'll just try finding the fault and then try work under these unusual circumstances. Then yeah, we'll carry on with the video. So yeah, let me get to it and then I'll record after. Okay, so yeah, I found nothing. So what I'm gonna do is get a professional, not a DIY like me. So I'm gonna get a professional to come check, someone who knows about these cars, to come and check for me. So far, what I can do now is I'm gonna clean this compartment, and then I'm gonna put back the battery terminals and check if there's no difference, because last time it was on reserve and it was showing the reserve orange light. So what I'm gonna do now is clean this compartment and then try and put back the battery terminals and see if there's any difference after maybe removing the connector and connecting it back, or removing the petrol gauge. So yeah, we'll see from there. We'll see because what I saw is that there's this lever. There's a lever there with something like a wire, not a wire, a bulb wire that's supposed to be moving there. So it's not moving. It was too still. So I tried like moving it a bit, so it did kind of move, not knowing maybe that was the problem. It was stuck. So okay, let me just clean, and then I'll put the car on, I'll put the battery terminals and then turn the car on and see if there's gonna be any difference. Let's get to it. Okay, so I have to sort out that noodle mess there, and yeah, guess the interior is gonna need a thorough clean. What did I say?
What are you saying, man? What are you saying? What is he saying?
Thorough clean. Okay, let's check if the gauge will work. Okay, the orange light switched off, so yeah, something happened because the orange light is off, but the pin is still where it was, so I'm not sure. I guess I'll have to fill up again and then see if it's gonna move. So yeah, that's what I'm guessing. So yeah, let me sort out this mess and then yeah, we'll get to it again. Okay guys, so we managed to get the gauge working and the seat cleaned, but I didn't clean that mess, so I'll have to make a day where I'm gonna remove the seats and just do the whole carpet once, because I don't have a vacuum, so yeah, I think a proper car wash will do the proper job. So yeah, now what I'm gonna focus on now is the engine. Like, I need to get this car at least 80%, and then the rest will be just new rims and paint correction or new paint work. So yeah, basically the goal is to get the car to at least 80%. The engine, I want the engine to be healthy, so that's what I'm gonna work on now. Still don't have my crank sensor. Already got the cam sensor, so I'm waiting for the crank sensor, and then yeah, we're gonna install those and see if there's any changes in the performance. So yeah, catch me in another video of Street Circumstance.